Hello everyone, welcome back to Hacademy. This is a continuation of our advanced penetration testing tutorial. Here, I am going to explain how we can bypass a login page using SQL injection vulnerability. We can find the answer in the Portswigger Lab itself. But here I am not trying to solve the lab, but I am going to explain how this payload has been executing, what is a vulnerability in this machine, and how our payload is getting bypassed the login page. After that only we will go for the exploitation. So here we know that a login page should have two things, that is username field and the password field. If both of them are correct, then only you will get access to the server. If any one of this is not matching, you will not get the access to the server. From the question itself, we have an idea. The username is administrator, but we don't have the password. From the previous video, we discussed about what is commenting in the SQL query. So we know that every programming languages have a commenting option where the developer can add some of their queries which will not get executed. So similarly, in the case of SQL, we can comment an option using minus minus or hyphen hyphen or hash symbol. Based on this comment, the query will not get executed. So here, what is happening in this login page? Let me try with an SQL query. So select start from user where username is equal to administrator and the password is equal to pass. So here, whenever a user is entering username and password, this is a SQL query running in the background. So they take the administrator as the username and they will take the password and they will compare with the is it matching or not. If it is matching, you will get the access. But here we don't have the password. So from the Portswigger Lab, we have an idea that administrator codes minus minus. It is a payload we are going to execute. While we enter this payload, what is happening over here? This single quotes will close the left side part of the program, which means you can see the username equal to single quotes administrator. That quotes will get closed by the quotes we are entering after the administrator. So whenever you enter the username as administrator, single quotes, that quotes is closing the left side quotes which is open before the username administrator. Now now second part is you can see one more single quotes is available over there. But we don't have to worry about that one because I told you about the commenting. Once the minus minus is been ended, that will completely eliminate the right side part of the code, which means that part remain unexecuted. So now, while we are entering the username as administrator, then single quotes minus minus, they will ignore the password field. They will only username whether the username is administrator or not. I am entering the username as administrator, then single quotes hyphen hyphen. Here I am providing a random text as the password. We can provide any number or any values. Once you press on login, you are getting access to the server. So I hope you understand why this payload got executed in this case. If you have any more further queries, you can just comment on and I will reply for that.